Today discovering dinosaurs. Discovering dinosaurs. Table of contents. Finding fossils. Learn from fossils. How long ago? Ghostly.
You can
Finding fossils.
please loud.
Finding fossils. So how do we know dinosaurs lived on Earth? Earth. Like we're living here. We're living right here. And what you live right here? Earth means you find some fossils out on a ground, some ground or a sky, or a mountain, or anywhere. Soil means down. Some plants grow.
Underground. Yes. Soil.
Mud is not soil. Is when you put soil in it, the pigs will be cry and dead. That's why they turn to a dinosaur. Like a deer. I know the dinosaur. They are dead dinosaurs. Or animal dead dinosaurs. I'll do this book. Finding fossils. How do we know dinosaurs lived on Earth? We know because we have found fossils all over the world. Scientists have found fossils of dinosaurs' bones, footprints, teeth, nests, and eggs. Tooth, footprints, bones, eggs, skeleton. Scientists are careful.
Curved. Curved.
Curved, like this big thing. Like this. And they dig. We'll show that later. When Mom makes some cool stuff and play. And I can play with soil. We have soil? Yeah, in garage. And we play, and we have any big box. Yeah, the kitchen have big box with stuff kitchen to feed food for Nico Bear, big stuff from the drawer, and we can play with it with hands and fun. How we can take the soil out? With spoon, big spoons will fit in it. Or big balls, you can scoop
Maybe
with a ball
Yes, maybe
and
shower.
put it and scoop it inside the ball and flip it and you play with it. These insects are carefully digging dinosaurs.
Carefully.
Carefully digging dinosaurs fossil out of the ground. They will web. Swish. Da. Up the fossils. To them safe. Then they will take them to the museum. At the
Museum.
Scientists will study the fossils. They try to fit fossils together to make the skeleton. Some pieces of the skeleton might be missing. Scientists use what they know about other animals to take place fit. Scientists study other animals to learn about dinosaurs. Dinosaurs' bones may be bigger, but many dinosaurs shaped like same. Scientists compared dinosaur bone fossils together to other animals. They learned that some dinosaurs walked and some flew.
Fly, flow.
Study fossils. Footprints. Some dinosaurs move very slow. Some move faster than humans. Is it a beard? Not really starting. Take a peek here. Take a peek right here. Very close, guys. This one is our footprint too. I see in fossils when they grow up. See this fossil? It's a footprint. I know this fossil, like human beings too. They dig it up. See this fossil? Look at this fossil. It looks like a shape. Look at this hand fossil. I think it looks like a horse fossil. And this one looks like a dinosaur fossil. And I see holes. A snake can live there. I see some lines there. Does a mouse can live there? There are small mouse or ants. And then Earth or Mars or Jupiter or Saturn or Uranus or Neptune. I don't know where it goes. I think it's unlikely. Scientists study fossil footprints to see how fast dinosaurs move. Some dinosaurs move very slow. Some move faster than humans. I did this one. I have to go back. Scientists study. What's it teach to learn? What dinosaur I eat? Some teeth are sharp like the teeth. Other teeth are flat like teeth of plant eaters. Plant eaters. Scientists learn about dinosaurs. Babies from fossils, nests, and eggs. Some dinosaurs may have sat on their eggs like many birds do. Do you know about dinosaurs? Do you know about dinosaurs? Fossils? No. I don't know how to do. But I don't visit the Earth and Mars and Jupiter when I go to a space rocket. And guys, don't be mad, guys. It's just a fossil game, but not a game. Gonna bring some soil and we put all the toys there and find a fossil. It looks like great idea. And we have some soil today. We buy it, but it's raining outside. But it's good. We have a coach here. We did this one. When I did this, oh, they're like eggs, like many birds do.
They lay eggs.
To do. Oh, insects also find fossils on all plants, fish, insects, and other animals. These fossils help learn what Earth was. Mama, I want to go to the bathroom, Mama.